I'm going to be showing you how to fix Facebook notification sound issues on iOS and Android quickly. So if Facebook's notification sounds aren't working on your iPhone or Android device, the issue is often caused by notification settings, sound settings, or app permissions. So here are some quick fixes. So the first thing to do is open the Facebook app, and once you're here, you just need to look at the top left where you can see the three-line button. Just tap there, scroll down till you find settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Once you're there, you just need to scroll down till you find notifications right there, and you can just turn on and turn off what notification alerts you want, and you can choose that as well, but this is more related to your phone settings. So just go back and open your actual phone settings. It's right there. Just go ahead on tap there, and you just need to scroll down till you find notifications again. It's right there. Just go ahead on tap here and search for Facebook by scrolling down. It's right there. So now you can just remove sounds if you no longer want it. Just toggle it off and you no longer have sounds. But if you want sounds, then you just need to turn it on. Just make sure it's turned on like this, and then you'll be able to fix your sound issues. You also need to turn off silent or focus modes and disable airplane mode, and you can just try to update the Facebook app as well, or you can just restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.